Hello class, this is Michael Bain. It's Java 2 week 1. It's my walkthrough video. I got something in my throat. Sorry about that. I'll do my app demonstration first. I think I'm in airplane mode now, so we had to do a master view and a detail view in landscape mode. And when we click on the list view item, it's supposed to run through our API, which we have set up, which I set up Instagram, and it should display information in the detail view. And the same is here. If the user inputs a search, whatever text he puts in, the user puts in, it should display. It should come back from the API, my Instagram API, and display. I have a picture display, username, and the user's real name actually. So if I hit Keybase, no connection found because I'm in airplane mode. But I still have some data being passed over. But if I was connected, that wouldn't show up. It would be something different here. So I got to change that. But it is, the data is still being pushed to a different fragment. Same here. If I put in, Drake, no connection found, so it does nothing. If I take it out of airplane mode, settings. We should be connected. Open up my app again. Let's say if I clicked on Logic, it shows the username and the real name of the user and a picture associated with what I clicked on. Same with, do another one. It's being passed to that fragment. So if I put in, say, machine, it says it's connected. Same thing happens. That's as far as I got with this week. I didn't get a chance to do the save to local storage, so I do have to be connected to pull the data from Instagram. And I'm not pulling anything from local storage because I haven't gotten that far. But that's what I got done this week basically. So here's my code. Here's my a detail fragment. The bundle gave me a real tough time. I just wasn't understanding from the information that we were giving how to do it. And during this whole week, I just felt like I was kind of hacking away, and I don't know if I got it working, but I don't know if I got it working how it should be working. I don't know if I'm using the best coding practices, is what I'm saying. And I don't know if I'm picking up bad habits or whatever, but it's working. But I'm having a hard time understanding the instructions on how to do this stuff. But basically, these are my two methods that change the text labels. What's in the text labels in the picture. This comes from the my DAW list, and this is coming from the search. It's still in the DAW list when you click on one of the items in the list view, and this comes from the text that's inputted by the user. And it's first just putting the bundle here. I'm still trying to wrap my head around it, but I got it working. And here's my DAW list. I'll go start on my search fragment. Here's my Instagram credentials. I don't even know if I need this. I might comment that out. I don't think I'm even using that. It's my own click event listener. When the user inputs a string into the text field, it turns into a string, and the variable for that string is result, and I put it as a argument into my make URL method, and if it's connected, it says new connection, and it runs the get insta data method, executes it. There's no connection, it doesn't do anything, but it toast says no connection found. Here's my async class. This was a real challenge because it's basically from Java 1 when we had to do the API. Which was Instagram. That's what I did. It's basically the same code, but I didn't know that with the fragments you can use the same. I didn't know I was supposed to have more than one async class. So that really meant I was trying to do just one async class for everything, and it wasn't making sense to me. So I used one in my DAW list, and the same one I used in my search Java. Except for I changed a couple of variables, but it's basically the same code. Here's my DAW list. Yes, I mean it's basically the same code. Have an on list item event listener over here. So instead of it getting the text from that the user inputted into the text field, the user inputs into the text field. It uses these entries that I have an array, two arrays here, and this array inflates my list view, and when the user clicks on it, it gets the text from the title and uses it as an argument in my Instagram query. But basically all the same code, two async tasks. I didn't know that was possible, but I tried it and it worked, and I hope I'm doing it correctly. And this is just my network connection class. So Michael Bain, thanks for watching. Java 2 1502.